G'day guys, it's Ben again, here to bring you another video, and this one is going to be looking at the Hanwei Viking Throwing Spearhead. That's this one right here. There's not a whole lot you can really say about Viking spearheads. Some are clearly better than others, and some are more historically accurate than others. But this particular one, I've mounted for myself on a 26mm piece of dowel, which is made from Tasmanian oak that I got from the hardware store. That's 1.8 meters long plus the spearhead, and I find it's really good for reenactment. So about the actual spearhead itself, let's take a quick look. Rightio. So you can see here some absolutely amazing detailing that's been produced here by Hanwei. Now I'm not sure if I'm butchering their name, so I do apologize. The actual spearhead itself is 40 centimeters long. It is a 3 centimeter facing. That's this part here. That's the opening, which is 3 centimeters. So being able to connect it onto the dowel is fine. And it weighs 468 grams. This is a really good piece. Now I'm not sure exactly which sort of museum piece that they've essentially modeled this from, but this comes across as an exceptionally realistic, very well detailed piece, and I highly recommend it. I've not had any problems with these at all, and I've had them out on reenactment and education tours many times. So honestly, I don't think I could say much more about this. I bought mine for £50, so that's roughly what, about $120, $130 Australian, from a company called Southern Swords in England. So buying over the internet is better than buying over eBay because you don't pay as many taxes. But there we go. Alrighty. So honestly guys, I don't think I could say and give this much higher praise. It is really good piece. Very well crafted, doesn't need any sort of real care, and does survive, you know, being carted around in cars and whatnot between schools and venues for reenactment and for education tours. So honestly, I'm thinking an 8 out of 10 for this. The only thing I can think I could possibly do a bit better is on price, but it is a quality item, so there we go. Alrighty, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.